Hello everyone. Today I am going to make a Newari authentic dish YOMARI. So guys, let's make it.
Hello and welcome to today's video on how to cook authentic yomari, a popular Newari dish from Nepal. Yomari is a steamed dumpling filled with a sweet and savory fillings and is traditionally made during the Yomari Puni festival. In this video, I will be showing you how to make yomari with an authentic sweet fillings made from chaku, which is a type of concentrated sugar cane juice. It is also known by a name YOMARI. Yo means like and Mari means bread. It is also prepared during special occasions like birthdays and baby shower. It is also a very popular Nepalese food. Leftover yomaris can also be a great alternative for the breakfast. Let's get started. Ingredients required for making the dough are 2 cups of rice flour, 2 tablespoons of ghee, and half cup of warm water. For the fillings, we need half cup of jaggery, half cup of chaku, 1/4 cup of grated dates, 1/4 cup of dry coconut grated, 1/4 cup of roasted peanuts, 1/4 cup of roasted sesame seed, and 1 tablespoon of ghee. First, in a mixing bowl, take 2 cups of rice flour. And add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Mix well and then add warm water little bit at a time. And start kneading. Be careful and don't add too much water while making a dough. Your finished dough must be soft, smooth and elastic. When you pull on dough, it quickly separates. Once your dough is ready, cover it and put it aside to rest for about 15 minutes. In the meantime, let's make chaku. Heat a saucepan and put hot water and jaggery and start stirring with a spoon continuously so that it does not burn, and put some chaku and stir again. When it is completely melted, filter it to remove any impurities. Again, reheat a saucepan and put that filtered melted chaku. Add 1 tablespoon of ghee and stir continuously. Then add grated dates and dry coconuts. Again, stir it well and add roasted peanuts and sesame seed. Stir it again. Now, take it out in a bowl. Take a small portion of a dough and first make a round shape and then a cone without any hole. Then dip your forefinger in a warm water with ghee or oil and press down gradually to make a deeper or bigger hole to create a cavity. Please make sure that the cover is not too thick or thin. Our yomari cone is ready. Now let's fill the cover with chaku. For that, use a small spoon. Fill it up to halfway and then pinch the edge together to seal the fillings inside. Repeat the process until all of the dough and fillings have been used up. After making the yomari, boil water in a steamer. When water is boiled, place the yomari in a steamer and steam for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now our yomari is ready. I am going to taste it right now. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to cook authentic yomari. This traditional Newari dish is a delicious and unique way to celebrate the Yomari Puni festival or any occasion. Give this recipe a try and let me know how it turns out in the comments below. Thank you for watching.
Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Do comment and like my videos. See you in next video. Bye bye.